Hi, my name is Gaille. I'm a Looker Studio expert and founder of Gaille Reports. Today, we continue to talk about organic traffic dashboards and observe Google Search Console connector. I already started to prepare some charts, but we will finish during this video together. First of all, when we connect Google Search Console, I talked about it on my first video of this series, and we have two options: Google Search Console site and URL. Here I use URL, or here I use site option. And which metrics do we have? And we have here impressions, clicks, CTR, clicks divided by impressions, average position, and we don't have number of queries as metric, but if I click here, we have query, and I can count distinct to calculate number of queries that we have right now in Google Search Console. So I start, as always, from score boxes, and I show my main metric here on score boxes. Then, for me, I'm interested in impressions and average position. I don't have too much clicks right now because, it's kind of new website, so data, I don't have too much data, but I have some clicks, so I would like to use impressions for now. When I have more clicks, I would like to use clicks, of course. And average position, we can see how it updated, how it changes. Actually, I can refresh to see February data. I think I connected Google Search Console in January, I think. Okay, updated page, now it is February, my default date range last month. Scroll down. This Google Analytics data we discussed in previous videos. If you didn't see it yet and you are interested in, you can check it. Okay, Google Search Console. You can see, so in February I had 3 clicks, so less. Okay, I launched it in February. So in March I already had more clicks than in February. Yoo-hoo! Good job, I think. Okay, average position 35, and we can see how it works on the chart, how it changed during the February. And here number of queries is bigger than before. And after the chart, I add some table with details For table, I show query. So Google Search Console allows us to show queries that users type on Google to find our website, or even don't find. For example, Looker Studio templates, I had 84 impressions. To average position is super low, so nobody clicked on my website. But cohort analysis, I'm on the first position. Anyway, nobody clicked. Let's see who clicked on my website. 0. No data. Actually, on Google Search Console, I have data, so it's a bit weird why I don't have it here. Okay, and CTR? No, nothing. Okay, let's check March. I think it's something with API stuff, because in this month in Google Search Console I can see this data. Okay, March, clicks. Okay, I have some. I can see that I have click for Looker Studio template, even with this really not good position. I had 1 click, and I had my brand keyword click, and I'm in second position. Actually, I'm curious who is in the first position with my name. So we can check keywords and see how it performs, who clicks, how performs our keywords. Then which information do we have here? I will add title. We can check this data by devices and see how our website work. Google Search Console device overview. I will copy some table. Okay, let's copy the same table. I start with table because it's easier to understand data on tables first and then think about charts and visualization. So we have country, device, Google property, and query and date. So we can use device category. And you see that most of the traffic came from desktop. Nice. I want to make it smaller. And I will add pie chart, I think. Okay, donut chart. And I will add, I think, what could be interesting for me here? Not query, it's device. I'm curious about impressions. And yeah, as you see, I need to add title here. I will move legend button and I need to add title. It's impressions. This is impressions. Maybe a bit bigger. This impressions. Align left. What next here? And I want to see the same donut chart for clicks. I want to do it smaller, or even I can do 4 donuts. Who said that I can, that I can't? Vertical top. And this will be impressions. Oh no, I think I will stay with 2. Okay, a bit smaller. Yeah, perfect. This impressions, and this is clicks. Align horizontally right. Impressions, align vertically top, and this I rename to clicks. This I change metric to clicks. Yep. Wow, percentage is the same, almost. So maybe I will do it here and fix my table. Fit to data. Not bad. What do you think? Pagination I don't need here. Yeah. And table could be smaller, and this charts could be a bit smaller. So this is information table and charts. For this kind of charts, please add information tables, because without it, it's difficult to understand what I want to say by these charts. But when we have tables, we can understand, okay, is it, what is it? So I can see that most of the traffic came from desktop, but CTR is almost the same. Okay, CTR is different, but here percentage of clicks and impressions almost the same. Okay, and one more breakdown that I have from this data source. I have a line. Okay. I have geographical geo breakdown, and here I can change, but I don't have cities. I have country. In Google Analytics, we can have cities as well, but it could be interesting as well. Okay, I think I don't want to change size. Okay, something like that. And of course I want to add some map with this information to illustrate my data. Add a chart, add a GeoChart, I think bubble, I think GeoChart, I think I want to use simple GeoChart here. Country, and here impressions. But here I can add optional metrics, and for optional metrics I can add clicks and position, average position. Let me make my chart bigger. And now you see my audience, but I think it is like that. It should be like this. Let's go to the view mode. I added, so this is impressions by default, but we can change impressions to clicks and see data by click, who clicked actually to my, and average position. For different countries. Interesting how it changed country by country. So this is optional metrics that I like to use in this case, for these cases, because I don't want to create 3 maps, as I can just use this stuff. We can use zoom area, but I don't think we need it right now because geography is super diverse. So that is it, what we can take from Google Search Console site data. And we have some data from other connector. Let's copy one more time. Align horizontally, align left. Let's change connector setup. I already connected it before, as you remember. Oh, maybe you don't remember anyway. This is URL. Here we have a bit different combination of dimensions and metrics. Here we have date, device category, Google property, and here we have landing page. Here we have landing page and query and Google device control and query. Okay, so this landing pages. I have this information from Google Search Console because landing pages in Google Analytics could be a bit different. Yeah. So we have landing pages, and let's see which metrics do you have. You have impressions, same. URL clicks. Here we had website clicks. Here is URL clicks. This is URL CTR, so it's different for different pages. And yeah, average position. Actually, nothing more that we have here. Landing page, it is text. Let me check if I can change it to URL. Yeah, to make it clickable, so that I can click on it. Oh, well, let's just check for fun what will happen if I change it to image. Okay, nothing. Fine. So this is URL. I changed text field to URL to have opportunity to click to pages. And here I want to change my table to heat map because I want to make columns smaller. Second column, I want to, let's say it's fine. And I want to see light green and light purple. A resize column fit to data. Yep. Now it looks better. Yep. This is our landing pages analytics. And that is it actually what we can do with Google Search Console. And it's very interesting and useful data. And I think that is it. With it, we will finish our organic dashboards videos. I did 1, 2, 3, 5 videos about this topic. You can check all series. Yeah, let me know if you like it. Let's do like short overview of what we did. We connected universal analytics, selected some KPIs, compare data with all website data, did some chart, observed organic traffic popular pages, and this data it combines with URL data that we just added, so it's kind of the next funnel stage from Google Search Console. Google Search Console will have impressions and clicks. Here we have some bounce rate, paid session, and conversions. Then we can see organic traffic sessions by page and month. This is a pivot table. And from Google Search Console, we have impressions, site CTR, and URL CTRs, average position, number of queries, this data, and some device breakdown. We can do the same device breakdown from Google Analytics and see some information about bounce rate, page visit, conversions. So like it's next level funnel. But here I'm interested in our website performance, so I do this. And we can see some impressions and clicks from Google Search Console. And one more thing, okay, doesn't matter, because I wanted to say that we can do kind of this kind of table for queries from Google Search Console and show data, show queries average position day by day. But I did this using another connector on our second page, Google Analytics 4. It's again have some errors, but it's Google Analytics 4. And G4, it's a pain all the time. They have some limit of quote, of some issues. Hope they will fix it. Okay, so we updated Universal Analytics data to G4, and if you use G4, you can use this data. Then again, chart with day-by-day dynamic. Then some page information, page data from G4. Same stuff that we had from Universal. And here I observed SEO monitors data, and here we have some information that we have in Google Search Console, but some other data, for example, search volume that I find super nice to have. Desktop position, we can compare Google Search Console data with SEO Monitor actually. I don't know how do they count. Do they count only Google or Google and Bing and others like search platforms? I don't know yet how do they count it. Mobile position, desktop position, we can have it in from Google Search Console, but we don't have this stuff. Keyword rank day by day. So this kind of table we can create from Google Search Console. That I mentioned, I already did it from Search Monitor, but we can do it from Google Search Console as well. Keyword daily visibility, I don't have data yet from my website, but could be nice to know. And from SEO Monitor, we have competitor insights that is super useful as well. So, 4 different data sources: Google Search Console, Universal Analytics, Google SEO Monitor, and G4. You can combine all. Okay, I split them by data sources, but you can combine all of these charts into one page. Remove duplicates charts, for example, because I have some duplicates from G4 and Universal here. And it will be really nice free organic traffic dashboard that you can use and find some insights from your data and use it in real life. So I will use this dashboard definitely for my website. I will already have all this data combined here in this nice dashboard. So I think it's super useful, and I will use it for my content marketing and SEO work. Yeah, that is it. Hope you like this videos about our dashboards. It was really interesting to record it and see my own website information. Please share your thoughts in comments below this video. Below this video you can find links for my online course, for in Looker Studio course, how to work in Looker Studio. You can find links to other videos about SEO dashboards. So, welcome to leave comments and hope you really enjoy this video. Bye bye.